Welcome back to another video. Today we have the installation driver hack. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply from by subscribers and likes. Guys, we got a whole bunch of deals here. All the M12 stuff is going on sale. I don't know why they're doing this, but you got the M12 fuel, brushless, cordless 4-in-1 installation driver kit, 3/8 4 tool heads, so you get the whole thing. $229 the regular price. If you go down here, you select the free gift, you click on edit. Once you select edit, you select the free tool, go to cart or select add to cart. Once you choose that, you go to the cart, and yeah guys, 22% off, $178. That's what you're going to be end up paying for the installation driver. And then you got the Milwaukee battery pack for $50. If you don't keep this, return that and just keep this, you're getting it for $178. Guys, a lot of great deals going on. I'm probably gonna stop the Milwaukee deals, M12 deals. You guys could probably figure out where this is going. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.